Hello and welcome. In this video, we are discussing topic of two-port network, and that is Y parameter, or we can call it as a short circuit admittance parameter. Y parameter or short circuit admittance parameter of a two-port network is a 2 by 2 admittance matrix. As or since we say admittance, it is a ratio of current and voltage. When it is impedance, it is ratio of voltage and current. And when it is admittance, it is ratio of current and voltage. We all know that. Therefore, this admittance matrix gives the relation between input and output current and voltage of a network. It is also known as a short circuit admittance parameter. If you go through the previous video, there we have covered Z parameter. Z parameter, that is the impedance parameter. As it is impedance, we are expressing V1 and V2 as a function of I1 and I2. Now here Y parameter is nothing but admittance parameter. That's why we are expressing I1 and I2 as a function of V1 and V2, as admittance is ratio of current and voltage. Now let's see the equation. I1 we are expressing as a function of V1 and V2. So I1 is equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, where this Y11 and Y12 are the Y parameter. Similarly, I2 we are expressing as a function of V1 and V2. I2 is equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. Like this, we will get Y11, Y12, Y21, Y22, 4 parameters. In matrix form, we can write I1, I2 as a function of V1, V2, and whose coefficients are these Y parameter. So we got 2 by 2 admittance matrix. This is a admittance matrix. So this is matrix form. Now to find Y parameter individually, we know equation of Y parameter. First equation is I1 is equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2. To get Y11, we have to make this term 0, means we have to make V2 0, voltage 0 at the output port. Voltage 0 means short circuit, so output port we are short circuiting. So when output port is short circuited, that is V2 is equal to 0, we will get Y11. Similarly, from second equation, when V2 is equal to 0, we will get Y21. So what is Y11 and Y21? Y11 is I1 upon V1 when V2 is equal to 0. What we will call it? Both the variables are from the same port. That's why driving point. Then it is ratio of current and voltage. That's why admittance. So Y11 is driving point admittance with output port short circuited. It is also called as a short circuit input admittance. Y21 is I2 upon V1 when V2 is equal to 0. Now one variable is from other port and another variable is from the input port. So the name is transfer. It is ratio of current and voltage. So transfer admittance. So Y21 is transfer admittance with output port short circuited. V2 is equal to 0 means output port short circuited. It is also called short circuit forward transfer admittance. Why forward? Ratio of output variable upon input variable. Why admittance? It is ratio of current and voltage. And why transfer? Both the variables are from the different port. So this is when output port is short circuited. Now case 2 is we'll make input port short circuited. So these are our Y parameter equations. When input port is short circuited, these two terms become 0. So Y12 is I1 upon V2, Y22 is I2 upon V2. So Y11, what will be the name? Y12, both the variables are from different port. That's why the name is transfer. Now ratio of current and voltage, that's why the name is admittance. With open or input port, V10 means input port short circuited. So Y12 is transfer admittance with input port short circuited, or it is also called as a short circuit reverse transfer function. Transfer, both the variables are from the different port. Admittance, because ratio of current and voltage. Reverse, because it is ratio of input variable upon output variable. This reverse we can replace by forward when it is ratio of output variable upon input variable. Then Y22, ratio of current and voltage, that's why admittance, both the variable are from the same port, that's why driving point. So name is driving point admittance with input port short circuited. Also it is called as a short circuit. Here it should be output impedance, not input. So short circuit output admittance, not impedance. Short circuit output admittance, because it is admittance and both the variable are from the output port. So short circuit, here make a correction, output admittance. So this is about Y parameter, or we can call it as a short circuit admittance parameter. Why short circuit? Because we are making input or output port voltage 0. When voltage 0, it is short circuited. Thank you.